Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will learn how you can create and add subscriber to Flodesk segment for acuity scheduling appointment. Now suppose that you use acuity scheduling for your clients to book an appointment. Once the new appointment is generated, you want to create and add that subscriber in Flodesk. After creating and adding that subscriber in Flodesk, you want to mention them in a segment. So how we will be performing this integration? We will be performing this integration with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger application will be acuity scheduling and our first and second action application will be Flodesk. So to learn how we can do this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will learn how you can create and add subscriber to Flodesk segment for acuity scheduling appointment. So let us know what is acuity scheduling. Acuity scheduling is a cloud-based appointment scheduling software which helps you to automate everything from payments to reminders of your clients. Whereas if we talk about Flodesk, Flodesk is an email marketing service provider which helps you to build powerful email automations. So to perform this integration between these two applications, let us sign into our Pabbly Connect account. So these are the applications provided by Pabbly. So we will go to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now to reach our dashboard. We have arrived on our dashboard and these are some existing workflows which were created before. To create a new workflow, let us go to our right hand side and click on this Create Workflow button and give our workflow a suitable name. I have named it as Create and Add Subscriber to Flodesk segment for acuity scheduling appointment, and now I will click on Create. So this is a blank workflow appearing on my screen. Trigger and action are the two most important principles of Pabbly Connect to perform any automation and integration. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So we need to select a trigger application and an action application to execute this integration. So now I will go to our trigger window and I will search for acuity scheduling over here, and here it is. Now I need to select the trigger event, which will be new appointment. That means whenever a new appointment is scheduled, this trigger will start working. Once we do that, we need to connect it. So over here, I will go to add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can go directly with connect. So now I will add the new connection over here. This is my mail ID. Now I will click on next and the authorization was successful. It is connected. So now I will click on save and send test request to see whether the response is being captured or not. So after clicking on this, you can see it is waiting for response. So now we will go to acuity scheduling and we will book an appointment over there. So now I will go to the scheduling page link and I will book the appointment. That will be of 10:30 and I will click on continue. Over here, these are the details which I have filled in and I will click on complete appointment. So over here, you can see the confirmation is given to us. Now we will go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we will check the captured response. So over here you can see there is the ID, first name, last name, the phone number, email ID, date, time and what time it was created. So every detail which was saved is captured over here, and now we will go to our first action application, that will be Flodesk. So we will search for Flodesk. And here it is, we will click on Flodesk. So now after selecting the application, we will select the action event, that will be to create and update a new subscriber. So now we have to connect this application as well. We will go to add new connection and we will click on connect with Flodesk. I will click on sign in, then on allow. The authorization was successful. So the Flodesk application is also connected. Over here, it is asking us for few details like field value, first name, last name. So we will be selecting our field. That means by which you want to create or update your subscribers. So I will be selecting email. But if you want to select subscriber ID, you can do the same. And we will be mapping the field value, that will be the mail ID. Here it is. Now we will map the first name, now the last name. After mapping this, send opt-in confirmation emails to subscribers. This means whether you want to send a confirmation email to the subscribers or not. So I don't want to send it as of now, so I've selected no. But if you want to send them, so you can select yes. So over here, I will select the mobile number, that is here, and the company name, that is integration over here. Now we will click on save and send test request and you can see over here the status, email ID, first name, last name and the company name. I am using filter by Pabbly as our second action application. We are using filter because On a daily basis, we might receive a lot of appointments under different segments, so we don't want to merge all the appointments with each other. So to maintain a clarity, over here, we will be selecting it by the company's name. So over here, we will search for integration. This is here. I will be mentioning integration. So I have selected the value as integration, only the appointments that are designated under integration. So now I have mentioned the value as integration. So only the appointments that will be having integration as the company will be processed ahead in the segment which we will be creating in Flodesk. So now I will click on save and send test request, and over here you can see the response is received, status is success, messages condition is true. So we will be selecting our third action application, that will be Flodesk. Again, we will search for Flodesk, and here it is. So we will search the action event, that is to add a existing subscriber to segment, and now we will click on connect. So as I've already created a new connection before, so I will be using the existing connection now and click on save. After doing this, I need to map the subscriber email and I have to select the segment. So I will be mapping it over. So I will be mapping the subscriber email, that is here. So now I will be selecting a segment from Flodesk, that will be leads through emails. After selecting this, I will click on save and send test request. Over here you can see the status is active. Now we will go and check in our Flodesk application. So over here we will go to audience, and after that we will go to the segments, and the segment which we have selected was leads through email. We will click on view, and you can see over here demo@pabblytudes.com name demo user is added in this segment. So we have successfully done this integration. Not only this, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.